People, welcome back to Politics Watch, the People's Channel. This is Sir P. Now, there used to be a time when people would say that police and government only care about crime when it happened to uptown people, and they have no interest in anything happening to poor people. Well, it seems even uptown people are now getting cast into the garbage can, because there has been a slew of robberies uptown where joggers are getting robbed in the early morning, and anybody know how them place they work. Early morning, you always have a group of people, mainly women, who go for these jogs up in the hills. Now, last week, there were 2 robberies in the Barbican area, and now there was a major or a more serious incident that happened in Narbrook. So 2 in Barbican and 1 in Narbrook, all in the space of a week. It is saying that men pull up in a Tida, jump out with knife, rob the people them of them belongings, and gone about them business. Now, the police response is that, well, they're advising joggers to run in groups and avoid carrying valuables, which may attract unscrupulous persons. So that's the police feedback. Basically, run in a bigger group and don't carry nothing with you. So if you have a little iPod for your music, leave it at home. I want you to realize just how comfortable the police force has gotten, right? Well, you can look at it as either comfort or incompetent, because it's not hard to catch these men and people. It's not hard. It's safe to say, if robberies go on in Barbican and Narbrook within a week, it's very safe to assume it's the same people, or at least a copycat, right? But criminals in Jamaica have gotten so comfortable that they can hit the same area or the same vicinity over and over again. They will come at one place and rob it 5 times. They're so confident nothing happened to them. See, if the police force or the so-called experts within the police force wanted to earn their salary, all they have to do is send your own team of police officers to start jogging in the morning. Then again, God bless the few who could have make it, because police officers are now so out of shape. I don't know how many of them can actually manage the jogging. But the few who can manage the jogging, send them to Barbican, Narbrook, these places that are being targeted, armed. Obviously they'd have their weapons concealed somewhere, and make the man them come rob. Since they target the same place over and over, since they are frequent uptown, because they already know about the vehicle, they more than likely have a description of the man them. Right? They only have so many vehicles to turn up in, so you're probably gonna have license plate. A camera much catch them or catch the license plate of the number or something. Because again, that's uptown, everybody have camera in them yard and on the streets. So send your own team of joggers, and when them come for rob, you have a nice little surprise to wait for them. But I guess that early morning thing can't work for certain police, because I guess bed too nice and comfortable. So all you joggers out there in Barbican and Narbrook, Cherry Garden and Jackshill, we're dip on your own. Sorry. The soup can't bother to get up with a fee in bed them hours a morning there, if you go do an operation. Any little covert operation we might go on, I have to go get cancelled because, sorry, that's way too early. This is basic policing. A set of criminals are targeting the same spot over and over again. Fine. Set up a sting operation. Just like with the Devon House, Trafalgar stoplight. For years, the man might rob the same spot for years, and I know police can't catch one of them. But as I said in my Trafalgar video, maybe we're asking for too much as a people. Maybe asking the police force to be proactive instead of reactive is too much. Because that's what great police do. The difference between a great police force and an average to poor police force is a great police force is proactive. They try to think ahead of the criminals. Them don't just wait till them get the call to some and then turn up. Great police try to think ahead of the criminals. Okay, you're hitting this spot every morning. Alright, we'll come drag out there too. Come try robbery, you know. And these men pull up with knife, you know. They rob the people them in Norbrook with knife. So if even one of them did have something upon them. And I'm surprised uptown people have made this happen to them, you know, because that vicinity of Jamaica, Norbrook, Barbican, Cherry Garden, that area or those areas probably have the most licensed firearms in Jamaica. That stretch uptown have the most licensed firearms in Jamaica. And they make man and rob them back to back. Joke thing. Well, let's see how this one play out. It's just amazing that crime reached uptown now, and even there the police don't seem to be interested in no kind of crime fighting. But we can see how this one play out now. People, this is Politics Watch. Patreon squad, big up on yourself as usual. Like, comment and share the video, people. Bless up and thanks for the support.